Welcome to our exciting exploration of nails colors, where we dive into the world of shades that adorn our fingertips. In this journey, we will uncover the history, emotions, trends, and techniques behind nail colors. Join us as we discover the secrets of this art that connects elegance and self expression. The history of nail color. Ancient origins of nail decorations, changes in nail color through different cultures and times, the meanings behind nail colors in history, trends of feelings of nail colors, understanding how different colors can make us feel, how nail colors can affect our moods, personal stories about nail color emotions, exploring colors of for nails, primary, secondary, and mixed colors in nail art, complementary and similar color combinations, creating balance and different in nail colors. Nail color trend over time. Nail color trends from the past to now. Famous nail colors from each era. How fashion affect nail color trends. Nail color techniques. Different ways to do nail from simple to complex. Ombre, gradient, marble, and geometric nail types. Tools and tips for putting on nail colors. Nail color and showing ourselves. How nail colors show personal style using nails to tell stories. Exciting example of creative nail art. Celebrities and pop culture influences. Celebrity nail trends and how they affect us. Nail colors in movies, music, and popular things. Making famous nails looks ourselves. How nail color is made. How nail colors are made, making different nail colors, new things in nail color technologies. Nail color around the world. How different places like different nail colors, old nail traditions from different places influences on our nail color choices. Nail colors with a purpose, nail colors for good. Using nail colors to help others, talking about important things with nail colors, learning about campaigns that use nail colors for good, keeping our nails nice, taking care of our nails, stopping common problems with nail colors, taking off and changing nail colors without hurting our nails.